Today we're going to show you how to install the solid purlin on your Caterpillar tunnel. The kit comes with the galvanized pipe and the cross connectors to attach the purlin to the bows. So each cross connector is made up of 2 of these aluminum brackets, and then you need 2 bolts. What we recommend is going ahead and assembling them. So you just slide the bolts through and then put the nut on, not all the way on, just a little ways, just basically so it's fully engaged on the bolt but not threaded on very far. That'll allow you to slide it over the pipes and get it in place before you tighten it down. So you just slide the cross connector over the bow and then just do that on every bow. So we've already put a few pieces up and the swedged end is facing me, so I take the non-swedged end and slide it through the cross connector and then slide it on the end of the previous one. So for this step, you'll want to use safety glasses because metal shavings will come down as you put the tech screws in, and you just want to position it right in the center of the bottom side of the purlin. I hate looking shaky on camera. Now the last step is to secure the cross connectors, and depending on how much of a perfectionist you are, you may want to look down the length of the tunnel and straighten out the purlin, because oftentimes after you get it set up, it'll be a little snaky. And then also you could have an assistant stand on the ground and help you position the bows in a vertical position, or you could use a level. But either way, when you get it how you want it, you just need to use a 7/16 socket or open end wrench. We have it set up on a drill, which makes the job a lot faster. And just go ahead and tighten these down. And that is how you install the solid purlin on your Caterpillar tunnel. And slide it through the cross connector. I don't know how Joshua did this. Okay, there we go. And that is how you install.